Gator Pit, Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We have a new custom that just rolled out of our shop. This is a 20 diameter quarter wall by 40 long main chamber with a 20 diameter by quarter wall by 20-inch long grill firebox. That is a grillability on there. Some people refer to it as a cowboy firebox. Same thing, it's just got a cut door into it. Stainless steel handles, flanged doors all the way around, and inside is your sliding meat rack. Fire grate down below. Doors are flanged inside and outside. Firebox door. Heavy duty fire grate. 1/4-inch thick steel framed out in 1.5-inch angles and reinforced in the middle. And your Gator Pit flanging on the doors. Stainless steel handle, dial style vent. Heavy duty 1/2-inch hinges. And of course you got the nice clean buffed out corners. Stainless steel handle on the top lid. Gator Pit commercial recalibratable gauge, 1/4-inch thick door stop, all steel welded front shelf, all steel welded lower storage area, adjustable 24-inch tall smokestack, adjustable damper, Gator Pit badging, push-pull handle, 1/2-inch rod. We have a probe port for your wired devices. We have an added access door there for easier clean out. There's a 2-inch drain down there as well. You can opt to put a ball valve on it. You've got extended legs with base plate, and on the other side you have 12-inch wagon wheels. And of course it is the patina style natural raw steel look. The customer can oil this down with whatever oil he chooses when he gets it home to season it, inside and out. Cooking oil goes on the inside. There's various types of oils that can go on the outside. Some folks use linseed oil. Some folks use Pam spray. Others cooking oil of some kind, vegetable oil, canola oil, peanut oil. Any of those oils will work on the outside. Wipe it down, fire it up, and bake it on there. Do that a couple times a year if you want this look. If you prefer a more rusted look, let it rust a little more. A couple of days outside will do it, and then you can oil it down. It's up to you. Depends on what kind of look you want. Inside, we've got lower sliding food grate, angle framed out, and it is removable. And we have a Party Gator style split upper rack where there's 2 halves. You can take both halves out. Back half comes out as well to open up more room for larger foods. And you got your flange doors inside and out all the way around as well. This is a new pit that just rolled out. Customer's on his way from Bryan, Texas, actually, to pick it up. And I wanted to share this one with y'all because it is something a little different out of our shop, being the patina style on this featured cooker with the wagon wheels. We've done wagon wheels before. First time I think I've done pictures or videos of one with the wagon wheels. Just the look that this customer liked. Pretty cool looking pit. Thought I'd share it with you guys. We'll probably put this on our website, but if it's not on the website, you can always call me at 713-896-0144, and I can give you pricing and features, and of course you can customize it like this guy did. This is what he wanted, and this is what we designed and built for him. So he ought to be pretty happy when he drives up here in the next 30-45 minutes. My contact information is right there. Gator Pit of Texas, 713-896-0144, or you can go to my website at gatorpit.net, or you can email me, info@gatorpit.net. You can go to my website and email me off my website as well. Ritch Robin, Gator Pit of Texas, Custom Barbecue Pits. See ya.